Alright, let's go. Another reaction. Let's get it. Treasure. Damn, it's been a minute since I've seen Treasure and YG in general. Super cute. I haven't checked up on them in a mad minute. Been checking out, like, just been busy doing other things, so it's been a minute since I checked out Treasure. And I'm very curious to see their sound. See their sound. I wish I could see sound. That'd be kind of interesting. Well, it's Treasure, JIKJIN. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Let's get into Treasure, JIKJIN, but first check out the link in the description. Join the Discord, come through and join. Follow the Twitch. Come and watch Twitch live if you have time. You know what I'm saying? We have a good time over there, whether we play games, K-pop, anime. We just talk about a lot of stuff. If you do come through the Twitch live at 6 p.m. PST today or the next day, come say hi. Captions, 4K. Ooh, we love it. Anyways, bam, bam. What's happening? Ooh. Ooh, chills already. Oh, what is that? Like, wait. That background instrumental? Woo! Oh, they racing. Let's go! Why did he say that? I felt like he was talking to me. You know, when I've been waiting for him, like, where? Ooh. Oh, they put LEDs around this area because people use this area to film like a lot of music videos, but like their version, that production. Let's go. Did I say ooh at the same time? Ooh. Oh, hell no, that's fired. Ah. Woo! Oh, that gives me tingles. It's like some ASMR shit. Ooh, okay, badass. Hey! The way it came in? What's up? Oh, the outfit's on point. Although, like, is that shoelaces? What is that? Oh, that is shoelaces, I think. Damn, they really pedal to the metal. Who is? Ooh, let's go, Treasure. Let's go. Alright, slow it down. Let's slow it down. Bring them back in. Give them a break. Just use them vocals. Ooh. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, and the dance too? Woo! I thought they were gonna turn up, but they just slowed it down again? Okay. Hey, turn up at the end as usual. Let's go, YG. Hey. Woo. Oh, it's just so hype at the end too. I'm just like imagining it like a concert kind of aspect. Straight to you. Damn, what in the... Is this the new song for Fast and the Furious for real? Like, they pedal to the metal type of ish. Let's Let's go, Treasure. Guys, put in the comments down below what you guys think about Treasure's JIKJIN. This might be my favorite Treasure song. This might be, just from the whole production feel too. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited. Again, put in the comments down below what you guys think of this music video and song, by the way. Check the links in the description, join the Discord, follow me on Twitch. Again, every 6 p.m. PST. Every day, almost every day. Join the Discord because I do update you on my life and just K-pop in general. All over Discord, so join there. Guys, hope you guys have a beautiful day. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. You have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, and it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.